Hey, what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the stock dude. Check this out. I got two stocks that I'm looking at. One of them, I gotta be honest with you, is very risky, but you can make a lot of money. The second one is a company that I'm invested in, and I like it, man, because it reminds me a lot of Netflix, and it also reminds me of Roku. So both of these two stocks deserves your immediate attention. Hey, what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the stock dude, back on the prowl again. Now, if this happens to be the first time that you are stopping by my channel, first of all, I want to thank you for coming by. Secondly, I want to ask you to please hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell. That way, the next time a video drops, you will be alerted. But like I always say before I get started, I am not a stock expert, nor do I play one on YouTube. So anything you hear on this channel or any other channel, make sure that you do your own due diligence. All right, let's get started. Now, as I told you guys in the intro, I got two stocks that's on my watch list starting on Monday. The first stock is a company that you all know well. But like I said, this is risky. This is like a three-pointer. First stock is a three-pointer. You can hit it, but you got to kind of take a risk because it ain't going to be easy. The second stock is more like a layup or a slam dunk. But back to this first stock. This first stock is a company that goes by the name of, y'all hear my drum roll? AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated. Yeah, that's what it is. What you think? It's AMC Theaters, man. Come on now. It ain't nothing hard. Everybody like, well, what is AMC? They do semiconductors? Is that a machine company? No, man, AMC movie theaters. Sooner or later, this coronavirus thing, it's going to be a thing of the past, man. Sooner or later, we're going to get back to normal. And AMC Theater is an undervalued play on the reopening of the country after the coronavirus get up out of here. Now, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it as if you don't know. Some people may not know because this right here, this video goes out to different countries. Everybody may not know what AMC is. So I'm going to do my best and read a little bit from this description. AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated, AMC for short. It says through its subsidiaries involved in the theatrical exhibition business, the company owns, operates, or has interest in theaters, in movie theaters. So it says that they operate approximately 1,000 theaters and have 11,000 screens in the United States and also internationally. Now, this is an old company. They were founded back in 1920. Ain't that something? I ain't know they was that old. But AMC is what we call a reopening play, once again, after the coronavirus. Now, I think it's a good reopening play because, like I said before, sooner or later, that coronavirus gonna get up out of here. Sooner or later, it'll be gone. And then people will get the chance to go back to the movie theaters, man. I like movie theaters myself. I don't have a problem with it. Now, they're slowly starting to open up a lot of the movie theaters again. Actually, they started that yesterday, on Friday. They slowly starting to ramp up and open up more and more of the movie theaters. Now, according to my notes, they're going to have to abide, of course, by all of the COVID-19 protocol. Now, coronavirus precautions will definitely be in place. That includes a highly sophisticated sanitizing and cleaning process. So moviegoers will have to also adhere to social distancing. So they're going to spread you out at the movie theater when they get the opening back in place, and more of an opening. And what I have in my notes, it says that they expect to only have 25% capacity in the movie theater. Now basically that's just saying that it's going to be less than halfway full as far as what they expect when they do fully open up all of the theaters. Capacity would be around 25%. Now, as I said before, this is very, very risky because there is a rumor going around that AMC may not make it through the coronavirus. They may go bankrupt, may have to close because of the coronavirus is putting a lot of stress and a lot of strain. It's hard to make money if you can't even have your business open, because AMC theaters, a lot of those theaters have been closed and they're just now really starting to reopen. But like I said before, this is risky. But this right here, if this pans out and they get government assistance, this ain't risky no more, because if the government helps them out and bails out that business model, the price that they used to trade at is quite a bit higher than the price that AMC is trading at right now. So let us go to the chart. And looking at this chart right off the bat, you know I always do it. I always zero in right at the bottom of the screen and look at the volume. The volume is looking good on AMC Theater. Let's see. Oh my goodness. The average volume is 36 million and change. Let's just say it like that. Almost 37 million on the average. But on Friday, check this out. On Friday, AMC traded over 266 million shares bought and or sold. 266 million. This is risky, I admit. But boy, one thing I know about a business closing, a business does not close right away. So if that rumor is true and they happen to be closing because they can't financially sustain themselves through the coronavirus, trust me when I say you got plenty of time to sell your shares and get out. So don't let that fool you, or don't let it scare you, in other words. So looking at what I see on this chart, it's a lot of money going into this stock. So if they were really going to close, do you think the big money makers would be dumping millions and millions of dollars into AMC if they closing next week? Do you think that? Nah. Looking at this chart, AMC ain't closing right away. If they do later on, trust me, you got time to sell your shares and get out. Now, as I'm looking at this chart, I see that AMC traded at a high of $7.78. Right now, AMC is trading at only $3.51 per share. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's on sale now. This is a sale. Over 50% off. It traded as high as $7.78 back here in the early part of September. As of Friday's trade and close, the price was $3.51 per share, with heavy volume coming into this stock. Heavy volume don't show up unless they're trying to push the stock price higher. Millionaires, billionaires, and hedge funds, don't buy shares of stock in an effort to try to lose money. That's not why they're in the game. So I'm looking at AMC theaters, and I actually have an option contract on AMC theaters. I'm looking at possibly I might even get me some shares. But if you can do it and you're not scared of the risk, if you're scared, say you're scared. I'm not gonna judge it. We all won't judge it. But if you're scared, say you're scared. But if you're not scared and you want an opportunity to make a lot of money, I would take a look at AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated. Now, that's the first stock, and as I say before, very risky. But like they say in the NFL, no risk it, no biscuit. So I think it's worth your attention. Now the second stock, let me get ready and put my ticker symbol in. The second stock is a company by the name of FUBO TV Incorporated. FUBO, say it with me. FUBO. FUBO. FUBO TV Incorporated. Now this stock is trading at only $37.72 per share. Now for those that don't know, I'm gonna read a little bit about FUBO. Right here in the description it says that FUBO TV Incorporated operates a live TV streaming platform for live sports events, news, and also entertainment content in Europe and also in the United States. Its platform allows customers to access content through streaming devices as well as on smart TVs, mobile phones, tablets, and computers. Now I said in the intro that this company reminds me of Netflix. This company reminds me of Roku. The only difference is it's a lot cheaper. Now basically, once again, this company is like Netflix and Roku. Now streaming service, they offer streaming services, and they have actually a 7-day free trial that you can sign up to kind of check it out and see if you like it. They got over 100 channels of live sports and entertainment. Now that's not a lot of channels, but I'm sure the way that this company is growing, they will add more and more channels in the very near future. They also offer a bundle package, and they claim to have the best live sports and entertainment channels online. Basically, this company FUBO TV is trying to get you to cut the cord, man. Cut the cord and get off of cable. Matter of fact, believe it or not, this is a coincidence because just last week, I myself, the stock dude, cut the cord and got off of cable. I don't have FUBO for my streaming service, but I got FUBO in my trade account though. Just as good. That's even better. Because the streaming service, if I had that, I had to pay FUBO every month. But me having FUBO in my trade account, FUBO pays me, your boy, every month. So let's go to the chart and look at what FUBO TV Incorporated has to offer. Look at there. Look at there, look at there, look at there. Boy, look at here. Boy, look at here. Coming in December, I see the volume started to pick up. And the way it spiked up, then it starts to sell off right here near the end of December. Starts to sell off, and it has stopped selling off right here at the very end of December. And now here we are, the end of January, and this stock has turned around and it is heading higher. Now, right now, FUBO stock price is only $37.72. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is an excellent growth stock. Because right now, in this environment in the stock market, you need a stock that's going to continue to outperform the market and grow its share price. So a lot of people always wanted to get into Roku and always wanted to get into Netflix before they got real expensive. Roku, that time is over. Roku's expensive now. Netflix is definitely over. You missed the boat. But with FUBO, being that the price is only $37.72 per share, hey, it's worth rolling the dice. I told you that AMC was risky. It was like shooting a long three-pointer. This right here, FUBO, is more like a layup, because this one, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is going higher. I don't know when and I don't know how high, but I do know that it's going up. So those are my two stocks that I, your boy, the stock dude, is looking at on his watch list as early as Monday. First one, AMC Theater, the risky play, three-pointer, but sometimes, like Steph Curry, you can hit a three-pointer. Second one is the layup, better yet, the slam dunk, FUBO TV. Get you some. Holla at your boy.